Hi guys, so welcome back to another Halloween makeup look. Today we are attempting the Jigsaw. Only because the movie came out and I really want to go see it, but I don't have anybody to go with, so we're gonna create the Jigsaw. But I don't know if I want to make it cute or like scary. We'll see what I come up with. So enjoy while I do my thing. And I'm watching the movies now, so let's get in the mood.
Sit on the floor. You're the middle-class male. You have to stay where you are. But if you want to live, you'll have to cut yourself again.
Two things, actually. There was someone standing out.
Dr. Gordon.
Now, how can I help you, gentlemen?
Are you able to tell us?
I feel like I'm getting better at TikToks.
To open the device, it's in the stomach of your dead soulmate. Less ratings to be alive.
Thank you. Are you grateful, Mandy?
So dramatic. Love it. Alright, I'll be back.
I'd like to play a game with you.
Gordon, no, you're at all.
Wait, why did you forever fucking...
I know you know something.
I'd like to play a game with you.
Are you able to tell us where you were last night?
You have no idea how your pen might show the person. Check your alibi, it holds up.
Isn't that right, Doctor? I never should let you go.
Here we are. It was, quite an amazing story that poor woman told. Look, I'm sorry I can't be of more help to your investigation.
You know, we arrested a dentist last week. He liked to play with kids a bit too much. He lived 2 blocks from here. The sewer lines run under this neighborhood, too. Doctor.
Hello. Are you watching me on YouTube? Greetings and welcome. That person is, well, what the voyeurs see when they look into the mirror. Let's find out. In their videos, without care about who that person is.
Boom. Alright. Why is it so dry? Look at that.
You here?
Scar around his neck, okay? Detective Tapp. Whoa. Guy who paid me to take these photos was not a cop.
No. He was discharged from the police force. He broke down after his partner was killed. That didn't stop him from harassing me. The guy became obsessed. Convinced himself that I must have somehow been involved with the murders. I mean, he was crazy. And you helped him. You took money from him to invade my privacy. How could you do that?
Call it my need to eat.
Right. You know what, you're not a victim of this game. You're part of it.
Oh, really? Obviously, this cop thinks you're the one behind it all.
I told you, he's not a cop. He's a bottom feeder. Just like you.
What are you more pissed off about? The fact that I took some shots of you, or the fact that I took some shots of you while you were cheating on your wife?
I did not cheat on her!
What do you care what I think anyway? I don't give a crap if you covered yourself in peanut butter and had a 15-hooker gangbang.
How did I get here? I had everything in order. My whole life was in perfect order.
Fucked it up. Mommy just needs you to be really, 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 really hurt you. You got that? Okay, that's my good girl. Let me try and get this thing on. So,
Hello, Michael. I want to play a game. So far, in what could loosely be called your life, you've made a living watching others. Society would call you an informant, a rat, a snitch. I call you unworthy of the body you possess, of the life that you've been given. Now we will see if you are willing to look inward rather than outward, to give up the one thing you rely on in order to go on living. The device around your neck is a death mask. The mask is on a spring timer. If you do not locate the key in time, the mask will close. Think of it like a Venus flytrap. What you are looking at right now is your own body, not more than 2 hours ago.
Let me see your hands. Let them ask again. Put your hands where I can see them. Down on your knees. Down on your knees.
I'm afraid I can't do that.
Get him in the strips now. You have a right to remain silent. You have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, one will be appointed to you by the city.
It's clear. Hey. Is this close enough?
Get his ass out of here.
Actually, I will need to remain here while you deal with your problem, Detective Matthews.
What problem?
The problem in that room.
You keep him secure.
Oh my god, what do you guys think? Oh, I love it. Yay or nay? Hold on. This is so fucking cute. Like that. Oh shit! Oh my god. Guys, I just had an idea. I even got these gloves from my other costume. But something like that. I'm not going to show too much because it's not even a glove. I just got an idea with how to promote for my sister's brushes. Like I told you guys on the other video that she will be doing a giveaway. And I was going to update you guys on like the rules and stuff. Since it's rules, I figured like I can hold this and be like, what does he say? Let's play a game. And then he tells them the rules. So I feel like that's how I can promote these. Duh. Let the games begin. Oh, bitch. I like that. What do you guys think? I'm gonna ask her. I'm gonna record it and hopefully she likes it and she's down with it. Let me see if I can play that little sound. Guys, this is crazy. Jigsaw. No. The fucking laugh. Yeah, the laugh. Oh,
we'll track the price of your flight so you can decide when to book.
That's crazy. Okay. Oh my god, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was pretty fun. It took forever though. It's already 6 in the morning and I started I think at 2 or 1. Oh god. Please like, subscribe to my channel. I am going to be making more videos. And stay tuned for the giveaway on Instagram. Go to my Instagram or follow her Instagram to get the details because I still don't know yet. But get yourself some makeup brushes, giving away eyelashes, and beauty blenders, all that good stuff. Anyways, let me know if you guys have seen the movie yet. I really want to, and I hope I do. I'm gonna come back and let you guys know if I did or not. But we'll see you guys on the next video tomorrow.